Hi, my name is Bobby Breyer, and I'm on the FAE team here at LMI. This video will review the initial setup for using LabView and Gocator. There'll be no breaks for downloading or unzipping files in the video, so if you need some time, be sure to pause the video. First, let's visit lmi3d.com and review the app note, then download the utilities package. You'll need to have a free account to download the utilities. Okay, so we're just going to go to support and just select your product, and you'll see a page just like this. First, let's check out the application guides. The one that we'll be interested in is this one, but there's other guides down here if you want to explore them. I would recommend downloading this and reviewing it before launching the LabView program, but if you'd like to get your hands dirty without checking that out, that's fine too. We're going to go to software, the latest release, and download the Gocator utilities package here. Once you download it and unzip it, it'll look something like this, the version name and the Go utilities. We're going to go to Integration and LabView. And then we're going to open up our LabView directory here. I use 2017. And first, we're going to copy over the labview.exe.config file. Okay, that's done. And then we're going to go back to the utilities. We're going to go to the emulator and accelerator folder, the binary folder, and then finally, depending on what version of LabView you're using, you'll copy that folder into your instrument.lib directory. In my case, I'm using 32-bit, so I'm going to copy this. Let me delete this old one. Copy the new one. And I'm going to rename it LMI. Okay, great. So now we're ready to go. Let's launch our example. Okay, we'll launch main.vi. And you might get a warning. This is an indication that the .NET DLLs have changed. And that's okay, perfectly normal. And it should only pop up once as long as you save this folder or file and the project. So we're going to go ahead and have a emulator operate as our sensor, but this will work on a live sensor as well. So first, let's go to the Output tab, and we'll check all the outputs we want. And let's say I just want the top surface. I'm going to run our example. Version string should pop up. You should get some other information. And here's our height map. And then secondly, if you want the intensity, we'll just check that and it'll output it as well. For more information about Gocator and LabView, consult our application note on the website or contact support at lmi3d.com.